Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 9th. Today we shall study that another topic of this chapter of your physics, third chapter. That is today's topic is work done against gravity. As per output work is equal to force into distance. Work done is equal to force into distance in the direction of that force. Now today's work done against gravity. तो छू पता अर्थ छ प्रथ कुन चीज पानस कुन अट्रैक्ट करना युथु इस का चीज हुर लगाओ इस बुन लाइन this force with which the earth attracts things towards itself, objects towards itself, atch wana force of gravity. Isu to pata earth छ प्रथ कुन चीज पानस कुन अट्रैक्शन करा अंबुर छ वाजा बुन हुर लगाओ युथु बाल तर या कइन तर सा वज बुन the force यु सहित earth पानस कुन चीज अट्रैक्ट करा atch wana force of gravity. The force of gravity of earth pulls everything towards इस यही force युस earth's possible बनावा छ कि सु छ प्रथ कुन चीज पानस कुन अट्रैक्ट करा. So if we lift an object from a table we do work against gravity. को तम मतलब अगर इस का चीज हेर पर बुन तुल इत पर तुल में की चीज होर बछुस करा work against the force of gravity. क्या इस यात एक तुझे में अलत्रो force of gravity चस पानस कुन लमा को I am doing work against this force of gravity. बछुस लमा होर अच्छ लमा your force of gravity पानस कुन को me work is done against the force of gravity. When a body is lifted vertically upwards, then the force required to lift the body is equal to its weight. It has been found कि येल हसा कह body is vertically hur तुला छ इस hur body तुला इस body तुला hur ये force required युस अस force कछ लगा सुच अस इमकिस weights बराबर आसान इमकिस weights आसान से बराबर. So whenever work is done against gravity, the amount of work done is equal to the product of weight of body and the vertical distance through which the body is lifted. क्या वना देखो whenever work is done work go यल बो body hur तुझे नी body तुझ against the force of gravity. I had done work against the force of gravity. The amount of work की work का बराबर से is equal to the product of weight of the body इमुक weight and a vertical distance be कोता तुझ में hur कुछ मीटर कुछ सेंटीमीटर तुझ में थोद go ये work done it is product of weight of body and a vertical distance जिसमें distance यम से यूता में थोज ये body तुझ बे वन ब गो ये इसका चीज against force of gravity lift करा छ work done छ product of weight of the body आक weight big vertical distance कोता तुझ body में lift. Suppose a body of mass small m is lifted vertically upwards through a distance h. Body ये तुझे की आच mass m ये तुझ में थोड़ा ये ये distance तो आत थो ऐस ना या सच height आक distance h विन तो से वनो से चूंकि height एवं तुझ ऐस यूता थदिस तुझ ऐस थो से 5 सेंटीमीटर 10 सेंटीमीटर 5 मीटर whatever you will take. In this case the force required to lift the body will be equal to यत cases मंज use as force required के ताकि body हकुन इस थोद तुल against the force of gravity such weight of the body that is m into g where m is the mass g is the acceleration m go mass g go acceleration due to gravity use as a force yim against इस चीज पानस कुन लमा force that is attraction of force of attraction of earth. Work done in lifting the body is equal to weight tel क्या गो weight of body vertical distance weight बे कोता vertical distance weight chat already mg m into g vertical distance h where w go work done m go mass of the body g is acceleration due to gravity work done against the force of gravity m go mass of the body g go acceleration due to gravity h go height through which the object is lifted कोता height मंज आई object कोता height तुल इस object थोद को तमेक मतलब गो work done against the force of gravity is w is equal to mgh mgh at पर करो सबस numerical mgh where m is mass g is acceleration due to gravity यानी earth is force of attraction h is height through which an object is lifted. This was all about the work done against the force of gravity. What has to be done यानी कि तथ में यो वो छु main क्रकस के ये लसे कह body is हुर लमा छु हुर तुला छु use that work done for against force of that is equal to the amount work done is equal to the product of weight of the body and vertical यानी weight क्या छ m into g be vertical distance युता सो थोद ई तुलना.